Shop smarter with BrainyBuyer.com and support smarter by subscribing. Your click means more unbiased tests, clearer charts, and fewer decision headaches. Hey, I'm looking to upgrade my grilling setup, and I was checking out two products on Amazon. One is the Weber Spirit E-310 gas grill, and the other is the Nexgrill Instant Read digital thermometer. Pretty different, right?
Totally different categories. But let's dive in. What are you hoping to achieve with this upgrade?
Well, my old grill is on its last legs, so a new grill is a must. And I keep burning my burgers, so a reliable thermometer seems crucial, haha.
Makes sense. So the Weber Spirit E-310 is a classic. It's a 3-burner propane grill with porcelain enameled cast iron grates. It looks pretty durable, and it has a 10-year limited warranty. It's about $450.
Yeah, I saw that. It has almost 4 stars, but from only 5 ratings, though. The size seems good, 360 square inches of cooking space. What about the Nexgrill thermometer?
Okay, so the Nexgrill thermometer is much cheaper, only $15. It's an instant read digital thermometer with a stainless steel probe. It has a backlit screen and a foldable probe, which is convenient for storage. But the rating is 3.2 stars from 11 ratings.
The rating is concerning, but it's a thermometer, how bad can it be? And the Weber grill has so few ratings it's hard to trust. The Weber grill also has a snapjet ignition, which sounds fancy.
True, it does sound cool, and it's a #1 new release. The Nexgrill thermometer has a temperature range of -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, which is pretty wide. It also has a hold function, so you can lock in the temperature reading.
And it's magnetic, so it can stick to the grill. Smart. So the Weber grill has stainless steel flavorizer bars to vaporize juices, which sounds great for flavor.
Definitely a plus. And it has a grease management system, which makes cleaning easier. The Nexgrill thermometer, on the other hand, is all about precision. It has a response time of 5 seconds and a resolution of 0.1 degrees.
Okay, so the Weber is about cooking, and the Nexgrill is about not messing up the cooking? I guess I need both eventually.
Exactly. It depends on your immediate needs. If your grill is failing, the Weber is the priority. Then, grab the Nexgrill thermometer to get your burger game on point.
Alright, I think I'll start with the grill. Thanks for the breakdown. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.